Hi everyone, this is an unboxing of the IPEVO HDMI document camera, and the model is the VZR. First thing you'll notice is that this is quite a heavy box, so we just put it on the scales. You can see exactly what the weight of this is. Again, let's tear it and weigh the box. So you can see it's 1,333 grams, so about 1.3 kilograms in weight, so that's fairly heavy. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside. I guess one of the reasons for the heavy box is it's stated at the top here, it says caution heavy base. It's because this is a document camera and needs to have a heavy base to keep it steady. There's a piece of paper here that states the warranty. So it comes with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. There's also a USB cable, so this is a micro USB to connect to your PC. There's a bag with 4 screws in it. I guess we'll find out later about what this is for. There's also a Phillips head screwdriver as well. Okay, let's see what's under this disc. So under this disc we have another piece of paper. It has a link to the website that has the quick start guide. And this is the heavy base that we're talking about. So it is fairly heavy actually. The base itself, I can imagine, is quite a substantial part of the weight of the box. Let's take a look to see what that is. So we put that base on the scales. So 589 grams for the base. There's a piece of black foam here to protect everything underneath. So let's take this off and see the actual document camera itself. So here it is. So the actual document camera looks like a sort of a very dark green colour. It looked grey in the images I saw on the internet, but it's actually a sort of a green colour. The document camera itself is essentially a webcam that's attached to this arm, so it can be freestanding and you can use it to record someone writing on a piece of paper, for instance. It tends to be used for education, where you need to go through, let's say, worked examples or some calculations to a group of people, let's say your class, for instance. There's a number of inputs. So here on this side we see that it has the micro USB socket, also has the HDMI socket as well. Also has a selector switch here, which is to select between 50 Hz frequency and 60 Hz frequency. Has a range of controls, a number of buttons on this side here for the light. It's one for the filter, rotation of the image, zooming in and zooming out. There's also exposure as well, so you can either increase the exposure or reduce the exposure. There's also focus and autofocus lock as well, and power switch at the very bottom. So I guess we'll put this together and we'll see how well this functions.